Roller skating is a fun and exciting activity for the whole family. Whether you've never skated before, haven't thought about skating since rink parties as a kid, or have been riding for years, there's a perfect pair of roller skates for you. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best roller skates, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Roller Derby Roller Skate. These adjustable quad skates have two 1-inch cast polyurethane wheels for a low center of gravity and a smooth ride indoor or out. This makes these roller skates an excellent choice for younger kids who are learning to skate, as well as for experienced skaters who are still growing. It also comes with a choice for boys. The adjustable mechanism is simple to operate and does not require any tools or expertise. It is also secure enough not to move while in use. Pros: the skates come with tightened wheels. Non-marking toe brakes make these suitable for indoor use. The inner liner is washable. Cons: the smallest size covers shoe sizes from 12 to 2. Number 2. Moshi Lolli Roller Skate. Next on my list are the best roller skates for women, the Lolli from Moshi skates. These are more expensive roller skates than the first two pairs of skates on this list because the skates are 100% leather. Leather roller skating boots are more comfortable and will fit more like an everyday shoe after an initial break-in period. Moshi skates are very popular with women who like street skating or roller skating at a skate park. They come with solid wheels that have a 78A geometer that are perfect for outdoor surfaces. These are some of the best beginner roller skates that you can buy right now. However, more advanced skaters who like to skate in bowls and at skate parks love them too. Many professional roller skaters recommend these skates to ladies who want a solid skate that looks great. Or, if you want an even more high-end boot, you can check out Moshi skates' most expensive roller skates, the jackboot skates. These are not full skates, but instead just the roller skate boot. Then, you have to pick out the plate, wheels and bearings to go with it. The Moshi jack boot alone is $500 and the price will go up as you add the other components. You have to order these straight from Moshi though, as they are 100% custom. Amazon and Roller Skate Nation do not offer them. Number 3. Lenexa Sonic Roller Skate. The Lenexa Sonic Cruiser high-performance roller skates are quad-style with sneaker-type boots. The wheels are 2 inches and made from high-rebound urethane. This makes them good for maintaining a low center of gravity, but they are large enough to get some speed. The materials used are all lightweight, which reduces fatigue, but they are strong enough for the roller skates to last. Plus, these skates are maneuverable and have great directional control. Made from ballistic-grade nylon, so they will stand up to a lot of use. Lightweight aluminum trucks, the part with the wheels, make these roller skates lighter than most, yet still strong. Reinforced eyelets enable you to tie these skates tight without fear of ripping. Number 4. Zyno Sports Roller Skate. These kids' adjustable roller skates from Zyno Sports are a great choice for beginner and intermediate skaters. With smaller wheels and dual brakes, your child will be able to go slow and stop easily with less chance of tipping over, and, since they're adjustable, they could last for years. The LED wheels light up when they move, and don't require batteries. The wheels are also suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and the brake is non-marking. Pros: reinforced boot seams for added strength. Breathable mesh fabric. Adjusts across 4 shoe sizes. Cons: the lights in the wheels are not rechargeable. Number 5. Salium Adjustable Roller Skate. The company prides itself on the durability of its product, which is made of pure urethane wheels and ABEC7 bearings. That being said, it provides your little one with a smooth and safe ride perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Both the left and right wheels are equipped with brakes to give you peace of mind. It is a great plus that the wheels of this roller skate produce colorful lights without using a single battery. Pros: durable light-up PU wheels. Highly adjustable and long-lasting. Anti-collision design. Cons: a user reported that straps got easily frayed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.